In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make money trading cryptocurrencies and have passive income. Hey guys, my name is Basil, and today's episode I'm going to be showing you a great platform that you can stake on your money and be able to make money and have crazy returns from trading cryptocurrencies. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So this is the website, as you can see guys. First things first, one of the things that I always love about any website is the transparency. As you can see, the transparency of this platform is very nice. As you can see, the colors and everything. So Cryptonomy is a venture capital platform. It has very many advantages, and I'm going to be reading for you all those advantages. As you can see, so when you come up the first page, as you can see, investing in the new digital assets economy. Cryptonomy backs up the early stage crypto projects building Web3 and its decentralized infrastructure. So the first one, you can invest in a fixed account or flexible account, or the Launchpad, where we can see other projects. This is why I love Cryptonomy. And yes, Cryptonomy has been trusted by people since 2019, and also it's rated on Trustpilot, as you can see right here, excellent. And here is why hundreds and thousands of people have selected Cryptonomy as the best platform to grow their investment portfolio. So as you can see guys, over 320,000 users worldwide, 50 assets to earn on, 200 available jurisdictions, and already more than $41 million paid out in interest. This is why most of people have selected this. And also it's fully registered, as you can see right here. 5 years on the market. Yes, they've been around for more than 5 years. If something has been around for more than 5 years, it's legit, you see guys. So complete security, as you can see, high quality support. One of the key things I always love to see is support and response. When you come to this part right here, you can see so many experts around the crypto world, what they have to say about the Cryptonomy. So you can definitely go through just here and you can see the biggest traders in the world, what they talk about the Cryptonomy. And also this is their vision, as you can see right here guys. Just make sure to go through it so that you can understand what their vision is. Now the key focus areas for Cryptonomy is Web3, as you can see, cutting edge protocols for the decentralized web that enables greater interoperability, DeFi innovation, as you can see guys, metaverse and GameFi, NFTs, payments and trading, and also compliance solutions. As you can see, get your funds instantly, keep your crypto. So here when you invest your crypto, you keep it, but the money that you make off it, you can always withdraw it, as you can see guys. Earn up to 180 APY on your assets, as you can see guys. And on your terms, keep your assets safe, daily payments. And also, yes, Cryptonomy has featured in major financial news platforms like Bloomberg, as you can see right here, and not just 1-2 times, as you can see guys. Also make sure to follow Cryptonomy on Twitter, or what you call X. So this is the platform, as you can see, on Twitter. As you can see guys, and also one thing I love about Cryptonomy, this is where you're going to be seeing their giveaways. This is why you have to follow them on Twitter. So make sure to follow them on Twitter, as you can see guys. So now let's jump into how do we sign up. So when you're signing up, definitely just come back to this home page, tap sign up. Then here you're just going to input your username, then put your email address, put your password 2 times here and here. Then after you put in the promo code, I believe in the promo code below this video, and then agree to here and here, then tap sign up. Now since I already have an account, I'm just going to dive into my account. Now when you log into your Cryptonomy account, this is how it's going to be looking like. As you can see, I have my balance of $3,429. Yes, anything to do with making money, I'm in there. So traders, as you can see, we have the flexible and fixed account. So the reason why I prefer the flexible account is because the flexible account allows you to use your money throughout the entire period of time when your money is staked, other than the fixed deposit, and also using a flexible account ensures you are getting greater profits. So I prefer the flexible account. The fixed deposit, you can't use it. When you use the fixed account, you can't use your money until the staking time is done. As you can see traders, so this is the fixed account, as you can see guys. So probably if you select one of the accounts, so let's say if you select BTC, you come to BTC just like this, you tap deposit. So as you can see guys, we're going to do half of this, which will be around probably, let's say like 4. I can still use my money as it's in here guys. And you can see guys, I'm going to be receiving 24%, as you can see, after my staking period. So here I'm just going to tap continue, as you can see guys. Then I'm going to tap deposit. as you can see. Great. So now we can switch over to Ethereum. As you can see, when you tap Ethereum, obviously you can see you're receiving 25% on Ethereum. Profit sharing is 50-50, as you can see. Now every day I'm going to be receiving rewards, guys. You see, and you can see here the next reward is going to be in 15 hours, as you can see for this one right here. So I'm going to be checking again, and also in my next video I'm going to be showing how much profits I will have made through that entire time. Now let's do the one for Ethereum right here. So I'll put I'm going to put probably, let's say I'm going to put 0.2, and here I'm receiving 25%, as you can see, guys. My APR, as you can see. Then I'm going to do deposit, as you can see. So we have added money also to my Ethereum. So as you can see, my Ethereum, I have $597, as you can see, and I've staked some of that money so that I can make some profits off it, guys. So this is how you do it, traders. And also when you come to the fixed account, you can definitely do the same to the fixed account. You know, I'll come to, let's say, to BTC, come to deposit right there, and then I'll put in an amount, let's say like 0.00, let's say 1. So let's say we put in that amount, as you can see right there. Then here, as you can see, so here I'm receiving a monthly interest. So here my monthly interest comes in monthly, as you can see, guys. Now here I can choose either to receive my money, the interest rate monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. So if I'm putting in 12 months, I'm going to be receiving 76%. So, and also you guys know me, I believe in long-term things, so I'll definitely choose this part right here. As you can see, I'm going to tap continue. So as you can see here, they'll bring you the deposit amount. This is this right here, the interest rate. This is how much I'm going to be receiving. Then the period that I'm holding, this is this. So I'll be receiving my profits on the February 19th 2025, as you can see, guys. So I'll tap agree, then create, as you can see, guys. So this is how you do it, guys, and I can literally just do this for all the coins that I have, you know. So we can do one more for Ethereum also right here, because we still have some balance on Ethereum. So we shall do 0.1 right there, and then we're going to do again 12 months, because this is, I'm using money that I don't need, guys. Whenever I'm investing in cryptos, I use money that I don't need, or money that I can do without, you know. So we do this, agree there, and then create, just like that, guys. So this is a great platform, guys, Cryptonomy. So that is how you use the flexible and fixed account. Now let's jump onto the most interesting thing, the Launchpad, guys. This is now the most amazing part about Cryptonomy. The Launchpad, this is where we see early projects, you know, about ILPs, IDOPs, you know, and together with Cryptonomy, we can invest in these projects, you know, at their early stages. So this is how the platform looks like. This part of the Launchpad, guys, you can see these are all early projects, you see, and you can see the price, the sale price of them is like very, very low, as you can see, guys. And you know, with Cryptonomy, you can invest in these platforms with them, guys, as you can see. So what you can do right here, you can see right here we have the current AVG ROI in the dollars, as you can see. This is the percentage right here. Then you have a number of events, as you can see. We have 186 events, total funds raised $82 million, guys, as you can see. So projects categories, we have GameFi takes up almost 68%, as you can see. DeFi takes up 11%, blockchain service takes up 11%, and others takes up 9.3%, as you can see. So literally, guys, you can just create your contract. Try it here, you see. Put in the amount, try it here, you see. Then you can select either bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. And then after, you're going to tap in right here. So again, profits, you're going to be receiving 0.5% daily income every single day. Then splitting is also enabled. You're going to be taking 50%, and also they'll be taking 50%, and you also be the contract will be ending on the 24th of February 2025, as you can see, guys. Make sure to create your own contract. So that is the Launchpad. So now let's jump onto now the most sweet thing. How do you deposit money? Because I know most of you guys now want to deposit money and stake your money. So you come to wallet right here. When you come to your wallet right here, you can choose whatever coin that you want. So probably, let's say you want to deposit money in BTC. You tap BTC, then they're going to give you this address right here. So you copy this address right here, you know, and go paste it to your Binance. Now, when you go to your Binance, you tap withdraw. You tap in they'll ask for the address. So you copy this address and paste it in Binance. And after, you select the amount that you want to send to this platform, then you send it. You can do this for BTC. You can do this also for, you can do this for another coin. Let's say let's say a coin like Ethereum. So you see, so again, you can choose Ethereum, copy the address, go to your Binance, whatever platform that you're using, where your money is, be it Trust Wallet, deposit, you get your money from there, send it here. But we always use addresses, as you can see, guys. And I've already done transactions, as you can see. I sent 0.3 Ethereum yesterday. So that is how we deposit money on Cryptonomy. Now, guys, I don't want you guys to miss out on the $5,000 giveaway worth of Pepe coin. Yes, you heard me right. There is a giveaway that is running around, and yes, you'll be receiving $5,000 worth of Pepe coin. Guys, that is almost 3 billion Pepe coins that you'll be receiving. Just make sure to follow the Cryptonomy on their Twitter page. This is the Twitter page right here. Make sure to follow and turn on your notification bells so that you never miss out on whatever they post, guys. Make sure to comment and like on whatever they post, guys, so that you don't miss out on that big giveaway. Imagine 3 billion Pepe coins in your wallet. So, guys, remember the account that I recommend is flexible, but also you can go for the fixed. That if you want fixed, if you don't want to use the money on a day-to-day basis, you can definitely go for fixed. But again, you can say the APR, you can see this is the one for BTC. If you are using the flexible account, it's 24%, as you can see, 25% for Ethereum, and they go as crazy as 33%, as you can see. This is on Baby Doge, Shiba Inu, 34%, as you can see, guys. Again, as I mentioned, you can come here, top deposit. I still have my money in, guys. As you can see, these are my coins in Shiba Inu, so I can put in maximum for Shiba Inu, and then I'll tap continue and then tap deposit. So this is how I deposit money on my platform, so that I can stake my money on this platform, guys. As you can see, for the fixed part right here, as I mentioned, you come to the fixed part right here, then you can choose whatever coin you want. So right now, my deposits, I'll show my deposits right now. So these are my deposits, as you can see, guys. I'm receiving an interest rate of 76%. So here I staked $100 on BTC and $299, which is almost $300 on Ethereum. As you can see, I'll be receiving my money next year. So that is it, guys. Again, for flexible account, this is the one right this side here, as you can see. So these are my transactions right here, as you can see, guys. So traders, make sure to use the link below this video and get your Cryptonomy accounts. And don't forget, there is $5,000 worth of Pepe coins to be won. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.